going to make the Bibigo sweet and spicy Cajun chicken stir-fried ramyun. To save time, I added boiling water to the pan. After cooking it for 4 minutes and 30 seconds, drain the water using a strainer. Add the noodles to some stir-fried chicken and bell pepper. And also add the 3 bags of sauce and toppings. Mix the sauce through all the ingredients and stir-fry it over medium heat for about 30 seconds. I almost forgot, but you also need to add 4 tablespoons of water. I kept 1 bag of the toppings to sprinkle it on top now because I thought it would look prettier for the video. The noodles are thick and chewy. The sauce has a tomato ketchup, red pepper paste, and soy sauce base with added onion, garlic, shallot oil, ginger, mustard, cinnamon, and black pepper. It's not too spicy for me, it suits my taste.